But Yeshua answered, "My friend, who appointed me judge and arbitrator over you?" How can Yeshua say that? How can Yeshua contradict the word? How can Yeshua oppose what is said in Scripture? Because if we read in Scripture, John 5 verse 22, 26, 27, Acts 10 verse 42, Acts 17 verse 30 to 31, we see that Yeshua was appointed judge by the Father. But there was a certain time that this came into place. Good morning. Akvot ve Yeshua. Yeshua followed the pattern that was set at creation. He was walking in the ancient path, as he always does. Now, for that to happen, he had a certain point in time where certain things occurred. Yeshua had the respect for this pattern because he is the image of God in a human form. He is the pattern that was followed from God's spirit into humanity. That is Yeshua. And Yeshua followed this pattern, walked along the ancient path, because he knew that in John 3 verse 16, God so loved the world, and then verse 17, God sent his Son to save the world and not judge the world. But after Yeshua laid down his life, he was elevated into his position. He followed the pattern. But he knew when he stated these words that I'm not your judge or your arbitrator, he has not fulfilled the time to unlock the door for the next season. So when you and I follow this ancient path or pattern, and we walk in this ancient path, we are bound to have success. We are bound to reach our destiny. And that's the only way we can reach our destiny, is by putting our feet in the footprints of Yeshua, by walking as he walked, by conducting our lives as he did. Yeshua warned in Matthew 24 verse 12 that in these times, modern times, people will fall away from love. Love will grow cold because people will not respect and live according to Torah. The Father gave these instructions in love. Yeshua walked these instructions out from the pattern into the ancient path. And he's still following that path. And you and I can still follow that path.